So the mashup platform is trying to develop the box, algorithm, and mashup execution. So it has different steps. Definitely you need the box as a component. Okay, no matter what types you need to develop this box. So the box can be reused from our existing boxes, or can be helped by the development tool. So um, today I'm going trying to make it simple, so we can let you show you how you can reuse existing tool by changing a little bit the mashups online. Okay, and to develop the mashups, and after you have the boxes, you can use our the platform to do this. Then you can share your mashup to the public URL, so others can access your mashup without logging in. Okay, let's see. First, just a quick review of the mashup login page. So you will have your user account, and this one is just for demo purpose, and you can log in. You use the user, and you later you have your own account, of course. Or use some common account like test. Okay. So this mashup platform is powered by the VeraCloud, which is the open source tool, and we change the source code to meet our mashup for more simulation with different types. Okay. So in terms of the box, develop box. So right now I'm going to show one example. So when you create your mashup, you probably will get this folder. It's called MAMSaaS user client or user client. Under this, you will have some bunch of the samples of test cases. Okay, you can follow this user menu, which details about how you can create, how you can manage your mashup, following that JS mashup example. Okay. But today I'm going to show another example, which is called the box general startups. This mashup will here is showing here. So it has the user input. It can show the videos that related to the model, and can run the model in our cloud res, and can show the result by the log viewer. And the view varying part, it looks like this. So the models and the YouTube and their startups, the execution, and to show the log results. Okay, so as we said, the model can be choose from here. If you have the model here, it will choose from here. Okay, so let's add a new box into this workspace to show you how the whole process about develop box, add box, and where them. Okay, so let's then all the example shown in this mashup is under this folder box general sardefs, and you can see there are a bunch of the boxes already there. That is the ones you see in the workspace. So what you need to do is you can copy either of them and develop your own. For example, you can copy. We are going to add a new box called the web search, which will search a model name in some open API, which is can query different news and articles from different websites like Google. So let's see how this box looks. You can see it's very simple. It's only the configure is trying to show the structure, index it shows the results, and JavaScript it shows how the box will react. Here is the config file. It follows because it's powered by the VeraCloud. We use the VeraCloud.
So what you need to do is just copy this file, and if you have any input and output part mentioned here, and other stuff are optional. What you need to do is three items here. So vendor, name, and version. Okay. After you mention them, you can manage your HTML to show how it looks like. For this case, it's very simple. We only just include the JavaScript and give the text error so we can show some execution status. For the JavaScript, it's as here. So let's just JavaScript the code, right? So it will define the result get from this web search the API and passing some the authentication token. And on the bottom of this JavaScript, we register the part input part of this whole box. Yeah, just keep in mind this box doesn't have the output part. It only have the input part. Okay, but you can add output as you want. And in the up, the input part when it comes to trigger the input function, so it will get the result from the REST get, and then it will pass in the result and show the on the web. Okay. And if you are interested, you can try different other boxes, of course. So after we develop this web search, we can zip it into this zip file like this. Okay. So right now we have this box, and this is in zip file. So let's just move on to show how you can add them in this workspace and to use it. And when so first thing you need to do is type the my box button and upload your box. Okay. So put here, and I forget the location. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. So this one is we just developed. Choose here, and then your box is uploaded, and you can search it by tab, because here is web API. You can see here pages, or you can search here. Okay, web search. So now it's loaded in your user account. So right now you need to add it into this workspace. So you can find it in your web API, which is just created. Okay, and you can drag a little bit to choose the position you want. So I prefer put here. Okay, and then you can wear it. So because it's web API, it's here. So we can wear it and drag to here. Because this follow this model, so you can put here. Okay. Yeah. Now the mashup is ready. You just added your. So let's just keep a quick about how the mashup looks like. Okay. So we are going to execute it. So you can start the service. If you see here, the model will be searched by the web search that will follow different articles from the Google, Yahoo, Bing, and file reading, and also it will list different YouTube that's in the YouTube channel of our lab, and you can click either of them to see for example this one. Yeah, of course you can resize it. Yeah, yeah. And here is the results that you can show in the log viewer. So yeah, you can play and to see different results. Yeah, my screen is a little small, but you can resize it if you want. Okay. Here. Now you can stop and play with this time bar. Yeah. So basically that's how the mashup looks like, and how you can create your own box and upload it in your workspace. After you have done the workspace, you can share the mashups for others, so others don't need to change your mashup, or they don't need to log in into it. So how to do that? You can, there's the setting, and you click this, yeah, click this public, so others can access the link without login. Okay. Then you can have a try. For example, yeah, so you can see here people can use this mashup and they don't need to log in. People can use it so by typing the model name and you can start the mashup again. Yeah, and if you are interested about this first simulation, you can try the simulation here. Actually, it's generated on the bottom